All right. I understood most of it until I was checking my answers with the answer sheet that she provides, and I apparently screwed up really bad, and I'm not sure where.
Right.
Yeah.
Looks like I think it's number 6 on part 2.
Number 6.
Yeah. B.
Mean score. Oh yeah, I was trying to do this one too. Oh yeah. That one didn't make any sense. Scores. What proportion of people? So, yeah. So the answers are A are like 150.8 and 8.8. They pretty much just give you the answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's for A.
Yeah.
Yeah, for A. So let's see.
It's when you get to the where it says what proportion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above 165. I drew out the little bell curve. Looked like about 10%, so that's what I wrote down. But then she's got like actual equations and math on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So for that one, would you do? Let's see. You do like 158.8, like minus 165, or is it the other way around? To start
Well,
figuring.
the way she's doing it, she has 165 minus 150.8.
Okay.
Did you find the z-score for B?
Find the Z. Like, she found the Z first. Looking at it.
Okay.
I couldn't figure out the second part. Just by looking at her answer too, I couldn't figure it out. Because then she divided it by 8.8, which gave it to 1.6126.
Okay.
I didn't understand the next part though. Where
Yeah, I don't either.
I don't know where they got the answer to that. It
Yeah, I
doesn't make any
definitely
sense to
don't.
me.
For C.
Oh no, this
Well,
is still.
it's still B alignment, but it says A on the answer key.
Uh-huh. She kind of messed up. That's okay. Like, I don't understand where they pulled that number out of. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I don't either. That's why I'm super confused.
Because I typed in the 1.6126 into the graphing like she did, and that's not what popped up. I tried moving it. Like, how would you know exactly where to move it to the side? I tried doing it, but I couldn't.
Yeah, I definitely have no idea how she got the second number, and that's where I was really confused at.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I'm looking at the answer key and that.
The answer key doesn't have it at all.
Yeah. X is 65. Yeah.
Because, like, you type it in, and it doesn't right, and you try to move it to make the area right, and it doesn't make it right either. I don't know what to do.
Yeah. For that graphing tool, the little app.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it just doesn't work for me, and I don't know.
What I'm trying to figure out is where all of a sudden, with the 10th percentile thing, does she get the z-score of 1.2816? Like,
Yeah.
The top 10. It says look at question 1, but that doesn't help much.
Yeah, no, there's nothing in question 1 to help.
Her stuff doesn't make sense at all. I don't know. This is why I don't want to take it.
Oy. Yeah. Well, I mean, the process of doing it seemed kind of easy. It's just, I don't know, there must have been some sort of confusion
Yeah.
with the answers, but yeah.
Well, the problem is for the assignment, it says we are going to be using this, so we need to understand it.
Oh, really? Oh, shoot.
I looked at it, and it says for this one and for the next couple, we're going to be using this.
Alright.
We have to use that stupid little graphing app thing.
Well, if you look at the group meeting thing, I think it's the last one. It tells us we're going to be using it for a while. Yeah, it's a little note. It says in this lesson and future lessons, we'll be using the normal probability applet. A permanent link can be found in Brain Honey and the wiki under core resources. So we're going to be using it a lot.
That sucks.
Which is very upsetting because I don't know how to use it.
Yeah. In fact, I even tried putting in like the numbers, like they kind of give for examples for the little app thing, and I'm still not getting the same
You're not?
results. Like, you know, like for what's it, like question 2 or something like that. Like it shows the graph, and I put in the exact number for like area in the top box, and like I wasn't getting the same thing. So
Well,
yeah.
I just typed in. I'm looking at the reading that we had,
Uh-huh.
and I typed in the same thing that they typed in another part, and I got the same thing. So that
Oh,
was
really?
problems. But
I can't even get it to change.
what to change?
The probability app thing.
What are you trying
Like
to change?
I type in a number for the area and it doesn't do anything.
Well, what number are you typing in?
I was trying to type in the z-score from that one problem.
Oh, the z-score goes underneath. That's not the area. The z-scores go underneath the area. Because the area is between 0 and 1, so the z-score is higher than 1, so it wouldn't affect anything at all.
Right.
Well, even when you type in that z-score, you still don't get the same answer she got on the answer key.
No, you don't. There's no way it flows.
Yeah. The only way. Yeah. And the only way we could possibly figure this out is like actually asking
Oh, wait
our
a second.
teacher.
Oh,
Unless-
jeez. Okay, I got it. You have to make the blue the same thing too. You have to make the blue shaded area match what she has.
Well, how do you change the blue shaded area?
You
Oh, you just click on it. Okay.
Yeah.
and that fixes everything.
That makes more sense.
Because yeah, that ends up as being what it should be. I still don't get where she got the 1.2816 though.
Yeah, I don't get that either. Well, unless it's the 10th percentile, she put in 10% as the area.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's where you get the 1.282.
Yeah. You just have to make sure everything's shaded in correctly and everything, and now it's kind of making sense.
Okay, so
Yep.
walk me through that again, please.
Okay, so well, we got the what did we start? I don't remember what we started with. So first you have to find
I
the
don't
z.
know.
You have to find the z score. I have to find the z,
Okay.
which you have to like for problem B.
Mhm.
It wants us to find the quantitative proportion of score above 165.
Uh-huh.
So you do the 165 minus the mean, which they gave us, which was 150.8.
Right.
You divide that by the standard deviation
It
of
was
8.8.
1.61.
That gives us that. Then you
Okay.
type that into the z-score,
Okay.
and then you have to make sure you have highlighted. We're looking for who scores above 165. So what you have to do is highlight only the part that's on the right side of the right line, the
Okay.
highest, and then that should give you the right area, which is the answer that you give us.
Okay. So the area. So what's the area you got?
That we should have?
Yeah.
We should have 0.05330.
Okay. Okay. That's about what I got.
Like, the thing's not letting me type out that many numbers, but it's rounded basically.
Right. Okay.
So we can, at least we know how to use it now.
Yeah.
That was the only thing I really struggled with on this assignment.
Okay.
Anyone else have anything else they struggled on?
Let's see.
It was just trying to figure out this stupid little app thing.
Yeah, that's basically what it was.
That was my problem. So.
So is 7 kind of the same thing?
Seventh? Yeah, it's really similar.
Alright, so let me calculate that one. Huh.
Well, kind of. It looks like on C for number 7. Like I get B. B was the same as number 6, but then you do C and it says less than 2,500. So do you just click on the middle section?
Oh, right. You just type that in for the. Okay.
Less than 25.
So for 7B, can you calculate the z-score for that, or do you need to?
Well, yeah, B is when you calculate the Z-score, so you can type it into the applet and it tells you the percentage, basically.
Oh, right. Okay. Got it. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Speed it over. For B, I got for the area I got 0.1218. Is that what you guys got?
I got 0.0478.
Uh, what was the Z score you got?
I got 1.6666666666, so I just rounded to 1.667.
Let me try that again.
Because the Z-score is you take whatever the speed they're asking for minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
Wait, minus the mean or divided by the mean?
Minus the mean.
Okay.
So, is anyone else having the problem that won't let you type out as many decimals as you need?
I think it only lets you round to like three or four decimal places, so
Because
that's just all I've been doing.
my numbers aren't the same as hers, just because of the rounding.
Well, that's weird. I don't know.
Like, they're really, really close, but it's like, on the assignment, we might be off just because we won't let us draw so many decimal points. It's when I don't want that to happen.
Oh, yeah, that's what I got. Okay.
And now I understand how to use this. That's
Okay.
Okay, maybe I'm still a little confused, because for B, I got the right Z-score, but then I got the wrong probability answer, and I'm not really sure how.
that is the wrong probability.
Yes, because
Oh,
it's
so
asking
like
for the probability.
like the area thing that pops up, or
Yeah.
it's because it doesn't let you do the decimals all the way. That's what I was talking about. It gives you're off by just a little bit.
Yeah. So you have to like kind of type in exactly.
But then what doesn't let you? That's what I didn't like.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
Because you're really, really close, but you can try a million times to type in the exact decimals and it won't let you.
Right.
So that means you're doing it right. At least the program. So I hope that doesn't affect the grade on the homework this time.
Okay, I was typing something in wrong. That's where it got messed up.
Okay.
Did you get the exact answer, or was it just close?
Mine is I was 0.16 instead of 0.17, or 0.1216 instead of 1217.
Yeah, mine was like 0.1218 or something, but yeah,
That's
pretty close. Yeah.
well, I don't have any other questions. I feel comfortable with it, I guess.
Right.
And you guys want to go over something else? Or?
Let's see.
7, because I was super confused on it, so I got it wrong.
Okay.
Do you guys understand E for number 7?
Check.
So,
Probably the randomness is part of the speed.
isn't that just between the two lines is the answer? The area between the two?
That's what I thought, and that's what I clicked on, but then I got they're like, their answer's not even closed.
Um,
7E.
well, that's
I'm
helpful.
trying to figure out where.
Like the little note at the bottom of E that you're asking. It says many groups will probably need specific help on this problem.
Yes. I just don't understand why we subtract instead of just clicking between the lines.
I don't know. How far off are you?
Oh, we're not clicking between the lines because there's two completely different probabilities that we're looking at. Just kidding. I understand.
Okay, because the mean was. Wait, crap. Hold on. Because the mean was like 1,800, and this is asking for. Yeah, like a different. Okay. So I have to do all the calculations again.
Well, as long as you typed them in for the answers for your worksheet, it should be fine.
Yeah.
Because then you have them all right in front of you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, those are just pulling stuff from the other ones. Okay.
Alright, cool. I got it.
And did you guys understand what to do on number 8?
Number 8. Yeah. This one.
What exactly did she want us to do?
Let's see. She just wants to know if the plots are, if each plot is normally distributed or not. I didn't record my answer yet, but I did kind of guess and go through it.
So A does like it is.
It's pretty much a normal distribution, just from what it looks like on these graphs, are just like points that are evenly spread out. Like for example, the first one.
So C and D would be pretty normal, and B would be no.
Yeah, exactly.
F
And B
for
aren't
sure.
normal.
E.
And E is not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's all the help I needed. Did you guys need help with any other parts?
No.
I don't think so. I think now I got it.
Okay. Well, whenever we're ready to start the quiz, then.
Sounds good. Group reading.
Isn't the answer to number 3 1?
Wait, what?
I was looking at number 3 already, and I think it's 1, but I'm gonna look.
Oh, on the code. I was like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm looking at the code.
Okay, yeah, the total area under the density curve is 1.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm pretty sure, let's see, I'll read number 4. Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis.
That's false.
That's false. The density curve will never fall below the x-axis.
No.
Yeah.
False.
It'll run really close to it, but it'll never actually even touch the x-axis.
Right.
Mhm.
Okay. Normal
And
density
then
curve.
number 5, a normal density curve is symmetric.
Yeah.
True.
That's true. Yeah.
Yes.
That's true.
So the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image.
ABC.
Yes.
The
Yes.
z-score would be C, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I almost answered A.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable will be greater than 1? That'd be
Shouldn't it
B,
be
isn't it?
Yeah.
Which of the following elements of the figure? Yes, B.
B.
Okay. And according to the 6895-99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
68.
68%.
Yeah.
Yeah, because 68 is 1, 95 is 2, and 99.7 is 3.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Distribution. There's the normal
Number 9.
I have to use the applet again. Alright, put that out again.
So random variable Z is a normal distribution. What numbers do we plug in for the applet?
-1 and 1.
Okay, I wasn't sure if that's what we were plugging in or not.
Alright.
I'm pretty sure I know what the answer is. Just by reading what's down there, it's kind of funny.
So did you guys get the answer yet, or I got?
I'm still looking at it.
Oh, okay.
All we're supposed to do is type it into the area, right? Or type the -1 and 1, and it gives us the area.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you just click on the area between the two, right?
Yeah.
You just click on the section to get the area, right?
I got 0.6827.
That's what I got too.
That's what I got.
I want us to round it, so to 3 decimals.
0.683.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
The next two questions will just go up by 1.
Yep.
Let's just type it in.
Oh, right. Okay. It's
It's the things that they give us.
the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Yeah, but I just noticed that too.
Yeah.
So it's 0.955, right?
Yeah, 0.955, and then last one should be 0.997, but I'm gonna double check just to be safe.
Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah, that's 0.997.
Yeah, it is.
No surprise.
What did you observe? Okay. The next number 12 is now calculate your answer to the last of the questions. What do you observe? The value matches
The value.
Yep.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. And there's some equation there. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.66 GP.
Grams of protein per kilogram per day.
Oh, okay. Cool. Thank you. The population standard deviation is 0.07 gram per protein. Is that what it was? Per kilogram.
Grams per kilograms, yeah.
Okay. Use this information to answer questions 14 through 17. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less 0.60 of all that?
So that's when you for right, and then into the temperature. So you would do 0.60 minus 0.66 over the standard deviation, which is 0.07.
.07?
Yep.
Okay.
And I got negative 0.857.
Negative.
Z-score.
-8 or negative 0.8? Did you put the
Negative 0.857.
Okay.
Okay. Negative 0.857.
Okay.
Yep. And then you type that into the normal probability applet, and you check for everything below the negative z-score.
That is less than.
So, what do you guys get?
Well, when I typed it back in to the thing and I looked at the area, it said 0.1957, and then you round it to 3 decimal places, so 0.196.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay, cool. That's what I got.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
And then you just leave it looks like the same thing, and then you check for more than 60 grams instead of less than.
Okay, so the answer for 13 is 0.19 or whatever it was. What was it?
So
0.196.
Yeah. So more we're highlighting everything to the right of the first line, right?
Yeah, so I got 0.804.
Yeah, that's what I got.
0.804
Mm-hmm.
for 14.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
And it looks like you just have to redo the z-score for the next thing.
Okay.
Did you guys get the answer for the area for that one yet?
No, I'm still working on it.
Less than that. Okay.
I think so.
So do you just shade in the left side of the?
No, because this one's a positive z-score, you would do everything less than the first standard deviation on the right side.
Okay.
So you do the left side one and the middle.
Left side and middle. Okay. So yeah, the probability I got was 0.716.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Hold on. The 0.7, what were we supposed to change that? I think I got that wrong.
You change the standard deviation because you're looking at the 70 grams of protein per day rather than the 60. So your new z-score would be 0.5714.
I'm changing the 6. Right? I changed the 6.6.
Oh, it would be the middle section and the left section that would be shaded in.
I think I replaced the wrong number. That's why I replaced the 0.7 with the 0.66, but I'm supposed to replace the 0.7 with the 0.6, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so I don't think I have what you guys have.
0.716.
So for the z-score, what'd you guys end up getting?
0.5714.
Okay, so in the area you guys got 0.716?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
All right. To find the area between the two values, subtract the area to the left of each of them. Randomly select an option lie between the two values. Find the probability the randomly selected person will have the protein requirement between 0.60 and between 0.70. Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. Well, if we do that in the homework, you could just take the two areas that we found and subtract them from each other.
Yeah.
Couldn't you?
Yeah. Well, that's what it's telling us to do.
So then we would take the 0.716 and subtract 0.196?
I think so.
0.16.
0.52.
That's what I got when I did it that way, but I'm not really sure based off of how the questions worded.
Area between two values, you want to subtract the area to the left of each of them. Make sure your answer is positive. Select a person between two values. Probability.
Well, where's the question?
What?
I'm just looking at the question that we had earlier to see how it compares.
I say based off of the individual preparation assignment, this is how it was done, but
Well, it just says with the two numbers, just everything left.
everything left of the 0.70 and everything to the left of the 0.60, right?
The 0.6 or the 0.196.
Well, no, I'm the 60 kilograms per day and the 70 kilograms per day.
Oh.
So if you're looking at less than the 70 kilograms per day, it's 0.716, and everything less than 60 kilograms per day was 0.196. So wouldn't you just subtract both of those?
That's what I would assume.
Okay, well, if you do it that way, it's just 0.52.
Uh-huh.
Point 152.
0.52.
Just 0.52.
0.52. Okay. Okay.
And that's everything, it looks like.
Yep. Do we want the answers again just to make sure we all have the same answers in the right spot?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Okay. So for number 3, the answer is 1.
1. Okay.
4 is false.
Okay.
5 is true.
Mhm.
6 is C.
Okay.
7 is B.
Which one was 6?
C.
See?
Okay. 7B.
And then 7 is B. 8 is 68%.
Mhm.
And then 9 should be 0.683. 10 should be 0.955. And 11 is 0.997.
Mhm.
12 is the values that match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule.
Mm-hmm.
13 is 0.196.
Mhm.
14 is 0.804.
Okay.
15 is 0.716.
716. Okay.
And then 16 is 0.52.
0.52.
Yep.
All right.
Everything sounds right.
All right.
Let's see how it goes. We got 100.
Really?
We did?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
My computer takes like 2 minutes to submit.
Yeah, we got 100.
Yay!
Yes.
But I'm really
Okay.
good over the individual preparation assignment.
What?
But now I'm glad we really did go over the individual preparation assignment because I would have been lost otherwise.
True that.
Yeah, that was nice. I'm glad we understand how to use that thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job, Jay.
That makes a huge difference. So does this time on Thursdays work for both of you pretty well?
Yeah. Actually, it's perfect.
Yeah, I could do that.
That way we just have the
And
rest
we'll
of the
still stick, and then we'll stick with 4:30 on Tuesdays.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
4:30.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. I mean, it works for me. I can do any time on Tuesdays, so it doesn't matter.
Sounds good.
Mhm.
Change it up if we want to.
Yeah, we can always change it if we need to eventually, but as of right now, if it still works, we can keep it.
So it's still the 4:30 on Tuesday.
4:30.
Yeah, we can do
Tuesday.
4:30 on Tuesdays and then noon on Thursdays.
Yep, that's fine with me.
Perfect.
All right. Well,
Good job, guys.
then see you guys on Tuesday. Yeah. Good job.
All right. See you later.